Today we're making a classic comfort food, favorite meatloaf. But not just any meatloaf. This one is topped with a delicious homemade glaze and served over creamy mashed potatoes. Let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 2 pounds of ground meat along with the ingredients you see on your screen. The second set of the ingredients is for our glaze, which we'll prepare separately. Friends, this recipe is so easy, even a 4-year-old could do it. Seriously, all you have to do is take a bowl, add all the ingredients, pop it in the oven, make sure the temperature and cooking time are right, and in under an hour, you'll have a simple delicious dish. First, we'll gather all the ingredients for the meatloaf and mix them together with the ground meat. I don't think I need to say much here. You'll know exactly what to do. One thing I would remind you to do is grease the baking pan with butter or oil before adding the meat mixture. Now go ahead and preheat your oven to 375. Meanwhile, while we're waiting for the oven to heat up, let's mix together the ingredients for our glaze. There is no special technique for mixing these ingredients. If you have kids at home, let them help. It doesn't matter how you mix it, as long as it all gets combined. Now that the oven is at the right temperature, we'll pop the meat mixture in and bake it for 40 minutes. We're almost there, friends. After 40 minutes, simply pull the meatloaf out of the oven, pour the glaze on top and spread it out as evenly as you can. Then, return the pan to the oven and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes. And that's, my friends, how easy it is to make a delicious and juicy meatloaf. Just look at this beauty. For serving, you can pair it with whatever you like. I've prepared mashed potatoes and served the meatloaf on top for a classic comfort meal. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And definitely let me know how your meatloaf turned out. I'd love to hear about it.